So this is a coconut climber. You say it from India?
Mm.
40, how much $1,000 you pay for this?
47,500.
And other than if you go invite people in your property, you best use this.
Yeah.
So we could see the process. From a barn, me never see this. There is always something new. Natural life. You got to be outside to do things like this, man. I see. So you have protection with the straps.
It come
Going
with the
all
harness.
the way up.
It come with the harness too, you know.
Oh.
Mm-hmm. It come with the harness. I just me not use the harness.
So how often you go up there, man?
All I ain't coconut that me pick them.
Are you pick them?
Yeah.
This is too good to be true, man. So you can never lose your balance while doing this.
My phone ring, me can't stop and answer it.
Your phone ring, you can't stop and answer it. God is God. India. You get this one right. You get this one right. This is the real deal, man. I like it. It's safe. Super safe going up.
Yeah.
Best. You can't see up this one call all your wifey.
Yeah, anything. And then when time to go again?
You rest and go again.
Yeah.
I've never seen this one before, man. I hope the sun is not blocking the view. Let me go around here to get this right. Banana leaf, move out of my way. The sun is in my way, man. But we're getting it done, man. Never lost a battle.
Me about my water boot.
When you go up there in your water boot too?
Yeah.
This angle.
Time better.
You climb it better.
Better.
Yes.
With the straps?
Yes. But me still think a rope should have be. Anyway, you reach the zenith almost. With God in the vessel, man, we can smile at the storm. Althea Taylor Natural Life is outside. This is what we do. No people business about here. Nature.
Watch out.
Oh, some is coming down. Woo! That's the first drop. Oh my word. You know, I went home, man, after I take home the fertilizers. And the spirit said, Althea, go back to that spot. You know, I actually left my phone charging. This is the reason why I'm back, man. Oh my goodness. This is it. Take them down. Take them down. So the owner for this premises decide to do things in a different way, because when you invite the young folks on your premises, they will come back to reap what they didn't sow. So he said he do not invite people on his premises like this. So he do his work by himself. Never lost a battle, man. Yes, I am the catcher. My hands get so tired. Ooh, it's coming down. Can you open that jelly coconut for me, sir? It's somewhere there. You see the machine? There it is. I would say thanks from now.
Take your time, brother. Take your time.
Take your time.
Take your time. Take your time.
Seems like him get a phone call up there, man.
Are you supposed to them a dry? Eh? You supposed to them a dry? Yeah, man.
This man is not 50, you know.
Yeah, you supposed to say jelly are good.
Let's try.
You supposed to this good.
Let's try. We're not sure if it's good.
Now ball your belly later. You know.
When you say me a ball for me belly later, so me not no taste.
Let's taste some, yeah, say. A ball for your belly. Because I hot your belly.
All right, let me taste it
Yes,
first.
it's hot. It's hot. That's it.
Yeah, it's not good. We have to get a different jelly. I want ball for my belly, man. I know what you put in it. Good coconut we have here. I want to see when he's coming down. So he's coming down. Take your time. He's as high as the aeroplane is. There they come. I want to catch it really good, man. I want to get it really good. Where is he? There he is. People work hard for what they have. So whosoever need anything should also go work hard for what they want.
And I notice, Robert, the water boot work better. Yeah? The water boot work better than the slide to strap better. Yeah. Than the sneaker. So now it makes two bigger strap. the strapper, you know. Then the original strapper then come with.
Okay.
I realize I know say if you make them bigger,
Excellent. That was superb. Well done. You know, well done, man.
give me a hug.